Richard!
Charlie!
How are you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful.
What are we going to be making today?
We are going to make us chicken wings.
Nice.
We're going to fry them. We're not going to do that bake stuff. We're not going to do the air fry stuff.
Yeah.
Like some people do.
I don't know who you're
we are going to do the proper way and deep fry these babies.
Right
and
on.
we're going to do them 3 different ways.
3 different ways?
Beautiful.
2 of them we're going to cheat. I just bought sauces from the store.
But one is
But
going to be magnificent.
One I'm going to make the sauce myself. So.
It's okay to cheat a little bit.
Oh yeah, yeah. Alright, so here we go. We're going to lay down our chicken because you want this stuff to be dried off, otherwise you're going to have oil in your eyes.
None of that.
The oil will reach George across the room.
That's right. It always
Across
will.
the patio.
Never a good day.
Will you tear some of that off for me? Thank you. If you're smart, you keep one hand clean, and you don't have to have someone help you.
Of course,
We are talking about me.
we're talking about smart.
All right, next step, we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff floured. We're using rice flour because it gets nice and crispy. And that, I have no clue how much that was.
Good job.
Looks like
It's
a
flour.
It's flour,
And
just
if you put in
it's
too
just
much,
dipping.
Yeah, if you put too much flour in, who cares?
Yeah.
I call it about a pound and a half.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
what do you call it
maybe
now,
two.
Charlie? What do you call it now?
Look at that. Look at that. Oh! I'd say ish.
I have a lot of wings here.
Yeah.
So then I'm going to go with, we're going to eyeball like 3 tablespoons of bacon
Soda.
soda.
Wow, look at you corrected
Bacon powder.
powder. And?
And then we're going to do our seasoning. Slap Your Mama's got everything good in it you want. Salt, pepper, and different type of peppers. And so, I just put these.
Oh, okay. All right. We're not blocked here.
That's
That's it. Let's take a look at that, too. There it is in all its glory.
That's a lot of wings.
A lot of food.
That's why we're going to be using a big old fry to do this. Alright, so our oil is ready. We're going to put these down. Then we're going to let George take over. And we're going to show me making the sauce and the garnishes for it. So let's start off with my drum's my favorite part. What's yours? Drum or flat?
Drum or wing?
Oh, well, that's a wing too.
Well, it's a drumette wing, but that's fine. Whatever, dude.
I'm kind of the drum guy, because, yeah, they're a little bit easier to eat.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to cut, before I do sauces, I'm going to cut some celery. And I got some green onions.
Very teeny tiny.
That's about all I need.
You cooling off that oil?
Yeah, a bit. Still doing good.
Okay, so we got this. We're going to go ahead and make our sauces. I chew on a piece of celery. Okay, so now, this being a sweet chili sauce, I am starting base with a sweet chili sauce. This thing is great. We're going to start with our base with that. I got 2 7-ounce bottles. Okay, now we got to put some brown sugar. I didn't say what type, so I'm just going with light. Tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce. And sesame oil. This is the one that I probably should have paid more attention to, because sesame oil can take over. So we're going to be tasting. Now this is the question that we were talking about earlier, the difference between
Rice vinegar.
rice vinegar and wine vinegar. They wanted rice vinegar, and what they really wanted was rice wine vinegar, and I couldn't find it, so I'm going to do a little bit of both, just the white wine vinegar and the rice vinegar. I don't know what the difference is, but I mean, we know the base is different, but tastes good to me. So, okay, we're going to go ahead and throw some sauce on these babies first. I'm going to do 2 of each style wing. Normally you would just toss these around to sauce them, but we're going to be gentle.
There, I have a garlic parmesan.
Garlic parmesan. Now our sweet chili sauce. And George has already tasted these wings while we were being tortured, not eating. Slap a little celery right there. And then on the Parmesan, oh, you know, I need some parsley.
Ooh, parsley flakes.
I'm gonna add some bacon bits to my buffalo.
Nice.
Because bacon goes better with everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop some sesame seeds on the sweet chili sauce. Some green onions.
Oh yeah.
And put a little green over here too, why not? And that is our 3 different wings. Buffalo,
Garlic parmesan,
and our sweet chili sauce.
So we got to try these out. Get to see what they're like. I'm gonna start with this drumstick over here. Oh yeah, with bacon. Man. That's not a bad buffalo sauce.
No, I like it.
That's pretty good.
If it was up to me, I would have got the hot, the spicy one.
But we have people that can't handle that. Can't handle the heat. Finger licking good.
Okay, scroll up to his face on this.
That's what, I learned a new term. Flat. This is the flat, folks. Why? Because it's flat.
Flat.
All right. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know what's interesting is the sauce cold, right? We had, you know, the sense of, right, where's the heat? More crystals.
Yeah, we had much more.
And we really couldn't, like, it was just an aftertaste at that point. But you put it on something warm like this, it brings it out a little bit more.
Okay.
So I'm feeling it.
Nice.
That's money. That sauce is great. Garlic parmesan. I've had a few of these before. Let's see how this one holds up. Really? H-E-B.
Yeah, they make
I'm gonna tell you, man.
They make a nice sauce.
Holy crap. Man, if you're watching this and you're not from Texas, you're missing out. You have to add extra points for a homemade sauce. I mean, you have to. And so, we're going to have to say the winner is the sweet chili. Because, I mean, I know we added some jarred ingredients and things like that. We added some crystal for heat. But everything put together, and brown sugar and all that stuff, I mean, it's just a good sauce. And it works really well with the lighter breading. It just absorbs in, and that I mean, it just sucks all that, and it made that heat. I mean, with the warm wing, that sauce just got better than when I was tasting it when it was cold. I'm gonna tell you, if you're gonna make something, make this sucker, because this was good. This was really good. I mean, and it just got better when it was on the wing.
Look at me over here like a proud dad.
Mm.
So what do we say, George?
Man, you got to try all these. You got to try them. Just cook the damn food.
Cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn food.
It's up in my room, not in my wallet. Which means I'm going to Charlie go up to my room and just get rid of him. Charlie didn't come over today, Melanie. I don't know where Charlie is.
I have no idea.
We haven't seen him.
We haven't seen him, and he got paid.
I think he took that $20 and he said something about Vegas.